Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into something super important for keeping your place warm and honestly, for your budget too. We're talking about your furnace.
That's right.
And we've got some great info pulled from the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. Really useful stuff, especially if you're somewhere cold, like, say, Delta, Canada.
Absolutely. Those Canadian winters are no joke.
Exactly. So our goal today is to figure out why taking care of your furnace is such a must-do and, what good things actually come from it. Okay, so let's jump in. The info we found really hammers home that keeping your furnace running well isn't just like a nice idea, it's essential.
It really is. Especially, as you said, during those harsh Canadian winters when you really rely on it.
So what are the big wins here? What makes it so vital?
Well, it's kind of amazing how much comes from just simple checkups. You save money on energy bills, for one. That's a big one.
Okay, saving money is always good.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And it makes your furnace last longer, so you're not shelling out for a new one sooner than you have to.
Right, those aren't cheap.
Not at all. Plus, cleaner air inside your home. Good maintenance helps cut down on dust and allergens, things that make you sneeze.
I didn't even think about the air quality part.
Yeah, it's a big plus. And maybe most importantly, it helps catch small problems before they become, huge, expensive disasters. We read about this Canadian family. Their technician found a tiny crack during a checkup.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, just a minor crack in a part, but it stopped toxic gas, like carbon monoxide, from leaking into their home. Saved them from massive trouble, potentially worse.
That's serious. Okay, so preventing big problems. How do you know if your furnace needs some attention? What are the signs?
Good question. You gotta listen, basically. Hear any weird sounds, like clanging, banging, squeaking. That's usually not good.
Okay. Unusual noises.
Yeah, or maybe your energy bills suddenly shoot way up, but you haven't changed how you use heat.
That's a telltale sign, right?
Big time. Or maybe some rooms are toasty warm and others feel like ice boxes. Uneven heating.
Gotcha. So if you notice these things, why call a pro? Especially someone local, like in Delta, Canada.
Well, this brings up a really important point. Getting a professional, especially a local one, like the folks mentioned at Pacific Blue Mechanical, is super helpful.
How so?
They know the area, right?
Yeah.
They understand the specific challenges, like the weather patterns in Delta. They often offer 247 emergency services. Super important if your furnace dies midwinter.
Oh yeah, definitely need that backup.
And they have certified technicians. These people really know their stuff, all the different furnace types and models. It's all mentioned on the Pacific Blue Mechanical site that local expertise makes a difference.
Okay, that makes sense. Local knowledge, quick help, proper skills. So for you listening, what does this boil down to? Are there simple things you can do yourself?
Absolutely. There are definitely easy ways to boost your furnace's efficiency.
Like what?
Number one, change your furnace filter often, like maybe every month during heating season.
Every month, what?
Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but think of it like letting your furnace breathe easy. A clogged filter makes it work way harder, uses more energy, costs you more.
Okay, so clean filter equals less work for the furnace. Simple enough.
Exactly. Also, smart thermostats. These things are pretty clever.
How do they help?
You can control them remotely, they learn your habits, adjust automatically. Basically helps you use less energy, especially when you're out or asleep. Saves money without you even thinking about it.
Nice. Tech helping out.
Totally. And don't forget basic stuff like good home insulation, keep the heat in so the furnace doesn't have to run constantly.
Right, stop the leaks.
Precisely. And for Canadian homeowners specifically, upgrading to a newer high-efficiency furnace, that can mean saving thousands of dollars a year. Seriously.
Thousands? Wow.
Yeah, and sometimes there are even government rebates available to help with the cost, so it pays off quick.
Okay, wrapping this up then. It sounds like taking these, relatively small steps, caring for your furnace, watching for those warning signs, calling in local experts like the ones Pacific Blue Mechanical talks about. It all adds up.
It really does.
It means a warmer home, cleaner air to breathe, and keeping more money in your pocket instead of sending it out the chimney, so to speak.
Exactly. It's not just about comfort, it's about safety and saving money too. Big difference.
A huge difference.
And if we look at the bigger picture, it's about feeling secure in your own home, knowing things are running right. So maybe think about this. What's one little thing you could check or do around your furnace today? Just one small step to make it happier and your home that much cozier this winter.